Imagine riding a bike that feels like a motorcycle but with the safety of four wheels. That's exactly what the AE Motion Quad bicycle brings to urban streets. This futuristic ride is built on a unique tilting four-wheel chassis, letting it lean up to 35 degrees into corners. The result? Smooth, exciting turns with the balance and stability that regular two-wheelers can't match. At just 79 centimeters wide, it slips through traffic with ease, giving you motorcycle-like agility without compromising comfort. Powering the quad is a 350W motor designed for strong torque and low energy use. What makes it even smarter is its swappable battery system. A full charge can take you up to 200 kilometers, and with compact 70 kilometers backup packs, you can extend your journey without waiting for a recharge. The AE Motion isn't just another e-bike, it's a bold step forward in urban mobility. By blending the thrill of motorcycling with the confidence of four-wheel safety, it redefines how we think about city transport. This is more than a ride, it's the future of commuting. Manta 5 SL3 Hydrofoil Bike. Imagine cycling across the open water. No roads, no limits, just pure freedom. That's exactly what the Manta 5 SL3 hydrofoil bike delivers. Built with a sleek composite monocoque chassis, it floats upright when still and glides effortlessly once you start pedaling. Its smart modular design breaks into 5 lightweight parts, with the heaviest piece under 14 kilograms, making transport and storage surprisingly simple. Power comes from a custom 2500W motor paired with a planetary gearbox and a carbon fiber reinforced propeller. The result? Smooth, pedal-assisted rides that feel futuristic yet natural. With a wired remote at your fingertips, you're always in control. You can choose between 2 battery options, 600 watt-hours or 1000 watt-hours, giving you up to 4.5 hours of adventure on the water. Charging takes just 2 to 3 hours, so you'll be back out riding in no time. Speeds can hit 20 kilometers per hour, 12 miles per hour, with a steady cruising pace around 11 kilometers per hour, 7 miles per hour. The Manta 5 SL3 isn't just a bike, it's the reinvention of water sports. A bold step into the future where cycling meets the waves. Imagine connecting a massive truck trailer in just 7 seconds, without touching a single cable. That's exactly what the Electrons AutoConnect makes possible. Instead of wrestling with heavy hoses and tangled wires, drivers can stay comfortably in the cab and press one button. Instantly, the system hooks up the brake lines, electrical circuits, CAN bus, and even Ethernet, automatically. No hassle, no wasted time. What makes it even smarter is the built-in computer. The moment the connection is complete, it runs a full check on brakes and electrics, instantly alerting the driver if something's wrong. That's speed and safety working hand in hand. In massive distribution yards, drivers often switch trailers dozens of times in a single shift. Normally, that eats up hours. With AutoConnect, those hours turn into minutes, saving energy, boosting productivity, and reducing risk. The best part? It works with every U.S. Class 8 tractor-trailer, autonomous rigs, and can even be fitted onto existing trucks with no major modifications. This isn't just a convenience upgrade, it's a step toward fully autonomous freight yards. The future of trucking is here, and it starts with one button.
The Adrenaline ZRX-47 isn't your typical boat. It's a high-speed, thrill-packed powerboat built for those who crave adventure on the water. Powered by twin-turbo Mercury racing engines, this sleek machine can reach jaw-dropping speeds of over 150 miles per hour. Every ride feels like a shot of pure adrenaline. Built with lightweight carbon fiber and a smart hydrodynamic hull design, it cuts through the water effortlessly, giving you speed, agility, and smooth performance all in one. But it's not just a speed demon, it's also built for comfort. The ZRX-47 features cozy, premium seating, high-tech controls, and a roomy cockpit that makes fast cruising feel both exciting and luxurious. Whether you're racing across the waves or just enjoying a day out on the open water, the Adrenaline ZRX-47 brings power, style, and serious fun to every journey.
Imagine powering massive trucks with the sun. That's exactly what the Apollo Solar Kit makes possible, bringing clean, flexible solar energy straight to the road. This system is built with ultra-light, flexible panels designed for semi-trailers, weighing less than 15 kilograms in total. Buyers can pick from 155, 310, or 620 watts of power, each paired with a smart Victron controller to handle charging seamlessly. The results are impressive. Drivers cut fuel use by 3 to 8%, saving around 3 tons of CO2 every year. That means the kit pays for itself in just 12 to 18 months. Installation is quick too. Under 2 hours, with no need to modify the truck. Durability isn't a concern either. These panels are tough enough to survive hail, snow, and constant vibration, with German TÜV certification backing them up. Big names like Unilever have already seen the benefits, reporting a 3% fuel reduction across 50 trucks. Polish company Alio even hit 5% in real-world tests. With over 1,000 systems already on the road, Apollo Solar is proving that the future of trucking runs not just on fuel, but on sunlight. Meet the NMS 4x4, a beast built for the toughest terrains. This Turkish powerhouse doesn't just conquer roads, it rewrites the rules of off-road performance. With 42 centimeters of ground clearance, it climbs over half-meter obstacles like they're nothing. Rivers and flooded paths? No problem. It powers through water nearly a meter deep. Add independent suspension and all-wheel drive, and you've got a machine that laughs at limits. Even when the tires are shot, the run-flat system keeps it moving. No stopping, no surrender. And with a top speed of 140 kilometers per hour, this isn't just a crawler. It's a sprinter on any battlefield. But here's what makes it truly versatile. The NMS isn't just one vehicle. It transforms. From an air defense system to a tank-hunting missile carrier, it adapts to mission demands with ease. No wonder Estonia jumped at the chance, immediately ordering 100 units. When a vehicle delivers this much power, flexibility, and reliability, it's more than a ride, it's a game changer. One-wheel Pint S. Rephrased script. Approximately equals 170 words. Ever imagined gliding through the city on a single wheel that feels like the future? Meet the One-Wheel Pint S, a compact ride that packs serious punch. This sleek board isn't just about looks. With a powerful 750W hypercore motor, it hits speeds up to 20 miles per hour and cruises 12 to 18 miles on a single charge. The factory-installed treaded tire gives you extra grip, whether you're carving city streets or rolling off road trails. Control is smoother than ever thanks to the larger, flared footpads. 15% more surface area means more leverage and stability under your feet. And when it's time to carry it, the upgraded Mag Handle Pro makes it effortless with its durable aluminum build and rubberized grip. At $1,300, the package includes everything you need: the board, charger, and handle, plus free US shipping and a 12-month warranty. The Pint S isn't just transport, it's freedom on a wheel. Where will it take you? Meet the Bio-Hybrid Duo, a futuristic ride that fuses the freedom of cycling with the comfort of a car. This German-engineered two-seat quadricycle is built for the modern city. Powered by dual 250W motors, it delivers smooth electric assistance up to 25 km per hour. Its 48 volts 1.2 kWh battery offers a 50 km range, which can stretch to 100 km with a second pack. At just 80 centimeters wide and weighing around 80 to 120 kilograms, it glides effortlessly through bike lanes and tight urban spaces. The Duo isn't just about efficiency, it's packed with smart features. You get 4-wheel suspension for comfort, hydraulic disc brakes for safety, and LED lights with turn signals for visibility. A panoramic roof and windshield wiper keep you covered in all weather. Inside, a 5-inch multi-touch display provides GPS, 4G connectivity, navigation, and even a topology-based range projection. Add a USB port, reverse gear, and it feels more like a mini electric car than a bike. Perfect for commuters and eco-conscious explorers, the Bio-Hybrid Duo is more than transport. It's a glimpse into how cities of the future will move. Compact, smart, sustainable, this is urban mobility reimagined.
Deep Flight Personal Submarine. The Deep Flight Super Falcon is a sleek personal submarine made by ocean engineer Graham Hawkes. Shaped like a winged underwater plane, it glides through the deep sea smoothly. It's small but powerful, able to carry 2 people as deep as 120 meters. It's electric powered and can travel at up to 6 knots underwater. The Super Falcon is safe and fun to use, with easy joystick-style controls that even beginners can learn quickly. Its lightweight body helps it move fast and handle well underwater. This sub isn't just for scientists. It's for anyone who wants a deep-sea adventure. With clear views and silent running, it lets you explore the ocean like never before. Whether you're curious about marine life or just want to experience diving in a whole new way, the Deep Flight is one of the best underwater machines available today. It's high-tech, safe, and designed to make ocean exploration thrilling and easy.
Imagine turning your truck's hitch into a high-tech lighting system. That's exactly what Diode Dynamics has done with their hitch mount LED pod reverse kit, built specifically for the Toyota Tundra. This isn't just a light upgrade, it's a serious safety boost. The kit features a super bright reverse light powered by patented TIR optics, a sleek red running light, and even an optional fourth brake light. One standout feature? A safety strobe that flashes 3 times every time you hit the brakes, making sure drivers behind you can't ignore it. And the best part, it installs in just 5 minutes. No complicated wiring, no custom work. Just plug it into the standard 7-pin trailer connector and you're ready to go. Even when it's not in use, the red accent light gives your truck a bold, modern look. Built in the USA and engineered to meet strict automotive standards, this system doesn't just look sharp, it delivers reliability you can count on. Compatible with 2022 and 2023 Tundra models, this kit proves that smart design can redefine everyday driving. Sometimes, the smallest upgrades make the biggest impact. Suzuki V-Strom 250X, the everyday adventure machine. Looking for a motorcycle that's built for both the daily grind and weekend escapes? The Suzuki V-Strom 250X is your perfect balance of practicality and adventure. At its core, this machine packs a 249cc single-cylinder engine pushing out 26 horsepower and 22 Nm of torque. Translation? Smooth, reliable power whether you're weaving through city traffic or cruising down the highway. Its design takes cues from Suzuki's bigger adventure bikes, with a tall 19-inch front wheel, 17-inch rear, and an upright riding stance that keeps you comfortable on long rides. The suspension easily tackles everyday bumps, keeping things steady even on uneven roads. Modern touches make it even more rider-friendly: a sharp digital display, full LED lights, and a handy USB charger for your gadgets. Lightweight yet capable, it glides through urban streets while still holding its own on touring trips. The V-Strom 250X isn't just a motorcycle, it's freedom packaged in a sleek, versatile ride. Wherever the road takes you, this bike makes sure the journey is just as exciting as the destination.
Jet Cycle Max. Jet Cycle Max is like riding a bike on water. It's a human-powered watercraft that uses pedals and has hydrofoils to lift you above the surface. You can reach speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour and control your direction and height using simple levers. It's made from strong yet light materials like carbon and composite, making it easy to handle. It doesn't make noise or pollute, which makes it perfect for lakes, rivers, and seas. Anyone between 40 to 100 kilograms in weight and 1.5 to 2 meters tall can ride it safely. Whether you're looking for fun, fitness, or adventure, this gadget has it all. It's also very comfortable to use. The price of the Jet Cycle Max is around $9,990, and it's great for eco-friendly water lovers.
Meet the Arcus Fortress Mk2, a beast built to dominate any battlefield. This isn't just a transport truck, it's a moving fortress designed to carry 11 fully equipped soldiers through the harshest terrains. At its heart is a 340 horsepower engine paired with a 6-speed gearbox, giving it the muscle to power through deserts, muddy trails, or rocky hills without slowing down. Add independent suspension and a smart tire inflation system, and you've got a vehicle that adjusts on the go, keeping soldiers moving when it matters most. Speed is another weapon in its arsenal. Despite its massive build, the Fortress Mk2 can push up to 120 kilometers per hour, turning quick response missions into reality. And it's not just about toughness. Inside, there's air conditioning, offering troops a rare chance to rest and recharge in full gear before heading into action. Even 1-meter-deep water crossings are no match for its design. The Fortress Mk2 isn't simply a ride, it's a shield, a lifeline, and a game-changer in modern military mobility. Because when the mission gets brutal, only a true fortress can carry you through. Meet the Traxxas Jado 4x4 VXL, a machine built for pure speed and brutal power. This isn't just a buggy, it's a track-ready rocket on wheels. Straight out of the box, it packs the monster Valenian 540XL brushless motor paired with the VXL4's ESC. Together, they push this beast past 60 miles per hour on a 4-cell LiPo, giving you insane acceleration and control. Its design is just as fierce as its performance. The ultra-low center of gravity chassis, reinforced with an aluminum T-bar, keeps it planted at high speeds. Heavy-duty driveline, sealed steel differentials, and full-time shaft drive make sure nothing slows it down, even on rough terrain. Handling is razor-sharp thanks to dual bell-crank steering, waterproof digital servo, and aluminum GTR shocks riding on super grippy Response Pro tires. Add in a clipless body, high downforce wing, and waterproof electronics, and you've got performance that lasts. At just over 20 inches long and 5.6 pounds, the Jado 4x4 VXL redefines RC racing, delivering unmatched speed, durability, and precision. Power, control, relentless speed, that's the Jado. Magnum UFO F4. Imagine a futuristic ride that blends freedom, comfort, and power. Meet the Magnum UFO F4. This isn't your ordinary mobility scooter. Powered by a 1,500W rear traction motor, it glides smoothly with selectable speeds of 6, 15, or even 25 km per hour. Safety comes first, thanks to hydraulic disc brakes, shock absorbers, and durable tubeless alloy wheels that keep every ride steady and secure. A 60 volts lithium battery fuels up in just 6 to 8 hours, giving you 40 to 50 kilometers of range, perfect for city commutes or long leisure rides. LED headlights and a built-in rear camera with reverse gear make urban travel both safe and effortless. Step inside, and you'll find true comfort: a swiveling seat, electric windows, central locking, and even an MP3 FM radio with USB support. It carries up to 300 kilograms with ease, proving strength doesn't come at the cost of style. The Magnum UFO F4 isn't just transport, it's independence on wheels, redefining personal mobility for a new era.
Schiller Bikes. Ride a bike on water. Schiller Bikes bring the joy of cycling to the water. Just like a regular bike, you pedal, and the power is transferred to two propellers that allow you to steer left or right as you glide across the water. The bike sits on an inflatable base that weighs 50 pounds, while the bike itself is made from tough anodized aluminum and stainless steel, making it both strong and lightweight. One standout feature is that it's one of the few water bikes that can actually move backward. Whether you're cruising forward or need to back up, this bike gives you full control. With a top speed of 8 knots, or about 10 miles per hour, it's perfect for a fun and unique water experience. Whether you're looking to explore lakes, rivers, or the ocean, the Schiller Bike turns any waterway into your personal cycling adventure.
Avenir Tectus, the scooter that feels like a car. Imagine a 3-wheeled scooter that gives you the comfort of a car, yet doesn't need a license or insurance. That's the Avenir Tectus, an enclosed electric ride built for both city streets and rugged trails. This futuristic scooter comes with dual 2 kilowatts motors, hitting speeds up to 20 miles per hour, 32 km per hour. Its powerful lithium-ion battery offers two choices: 2.4 kilowatt-hours for up to 99 miles, 160 kilometers, or 5.4 kilowatt-hours for even greater freedom. A quick 2-hour fast charge keeps you moving without the long wait. But Tectus isn't just about performance, it's about comfort and safety. Step inside and you'll find a climate-controlled cabin with heating and AC, a backup camera, GPS navigation, tire sensors, and even wireless charging. The adaptive suspension smooths out every ride, while optional fingerprint access adds a futuristic touch. Weighing just 225 kilograms, yet capable of carrying 175 kilograms, the Tectus combines strength with style. Whether you're tackling daily commutes or venturing off-road, this machine redefines what a scooter can be. The future of personal transport isn't just about speed, it's about freedom, comfort, and design. And the Avenir Tectus delivers all three. Meet the Irma Typhon 223 SBLX, a beastly 1/8 scale buggy built for pure speed and unstoppable action. Features and benefits. Right out of the box, it's ready to roar with a powerful 3,100 kV brushless motor, a waterproof ESC, and a responsive metal gear servo. On a 2S battery, it blasts past 35 miles per hour. Switch to 3S, and it tears across the ground at over 50 miles per hour. Every part is engineered for strength and control, from its ventilated composite chassis and all-metal diffs to the oil-filled shocks and telescopic drive shafts. The clipless body system makes setup quick and hassle-free, while the dynamic stability control keeps every run smooth and steady. Context and real-world impact. Whether you're new to the RC world or a seasoned basher, the Typhon delivers raw power and rugged durability that push boundaries. It's not just a buggy, it's a full-throttle experience built to dominate dirt, grass, and pavement alike. Closing statement. This is speed, strength, and style packed into one machine. The Typhon 223 SBLX isn't just built to race, it's built to rule. Scania NXT, the future of city transport. The Scania NXT is a fully electric truck designed to change the way goods are moved in cities. Its main focus is on sustainability and reducing harmful emissions. Because it's electric, the NXT offers a completely quiet and zero-emission driving experience. This makes it perfect for city deliveries, especially in areas where noise and pollution are big concerns. One of its coolest features is its modular design. This means the truck can be customized for different jobs while still carrying a heavy load. Whether it's for deliveries, waste collection, or other tasks, the NXT can adapt to fit the need. It's powered by a highly efficient electric drivetrain, which helps cut down on fuel and maintenance costs compared to traditional diesel trucks. The NXT also has autonomous driving features. This improves safety and efficiency, making city transportation smoother and smarter. Scania's vision is to have fleets of NXT trucks working together to reduce traffic emissions and create cleaner, greener cities. Imagine owning a beast that's so rare, only 999 people in the world can ever have it. That's the Team Coralie Kagama XP Limited Edition, a monster truck built to thrill and designed to dominate. From the moment you unbox it, this 1/8 scale 4-wheel drive powerhouse feels like pure engineering art. A gold anodized 7075 aluminum chassis, massive shock towers, and reinforced gearbox bulkheads, every part screams durability. This isn't just a toy, it's a precision-built machine made for serious performance. At its heart beats the Grizzly 945 4-pole motor, paired with a Toro 185 ESC. Together, they unleash blistering speed and power across 2 to 6S LiPo batteries, giving you the kind of acceleration that feels unstoppable. Steering is sharp and responsive thanks to a waterproof 32 kg torque servo, while the Connecticut 3P programmable radio keeps control smooth and interference-free. Add rugged suspension and 90 mm of ground clearance, and you've got a truck ready for any terrain. This is more than just a monster truck, it's a collector's dream, a high-octane bashing machine, and a statement of pure innovation. With only 999 ever made, the Kagama XP isn't just rare, it's legendary. FTECR 01. A new era in electric scooters. The FTECR 01 electric scooter is turning heads at EIMA 2024 with its mix of power, style, and technology. Built in a mid-sized ADV design, it runs on a 10.5 kilowatts motor that produces 215 Nm of torque and reaches a top speed of 115 km per hour. Its battery supports fast charging, going from 0 to 90% in just 1 hour and 40 minutes, and can cover up to 150 kilometers on a single charge. This makes it ideal for both daily city rides and short outdoor trips. The scooter's step-through frame, 15-inch front wheel, 14-inch rear wheel, and ADV tires provide balance and comfort on different roads. Extra features like a 7-inch TFT screen and keyless entry add to its modern appeal. The FTECR 01 stands out as a smart, powerful, and stylish choice for today's urban mobility needs. Ever dreamed of taming the dunes with the power of a real sand rail, only scaled down to your hands? Meet the Traxxas Pro Scale Sandcar, a machine built to deliver full-size thrills in a 1/8 scale package. At its heart lies the brutal Valinian 1200 XL brushless motor paired with the VXL8 SESC, pushing this beast past 55 miles per hour when powered by dual 4S LiPo packs. That's raw speed packed into a rugged fiberglass tube chassis, strengthened with polished aluminum arms and GT Max threaded shocks for unstoppable performance. The details make it even more lifelike: realistic paddle tires, hybrid braking with front discs and rear motor control, and a scale replica body measuring 812 by 551 by 498 millimeters. Even steering is handled by a metal gear servo designed for precision under pressure. With advanced electronics like TQI 2.4 GHz radio, telemetry, and TSM stability control, this isn't just an RC. It's a sand shredding experience. The Traxxas Sandcar doesn't just mimic reality, it redefines what scaled power feels like. UBCO2X2 electric motorbike, built for any road, any adventure. Imagine a bike that feels just as comfortable gliding through city streets as it does tearing across rugged trails. That's the UBCO2X2, an all-terrain electric motorbike built for true versatility. With dual-hub motors delivering instant torque to both wheels, this machine grips the road like few others can. It may top out at 30 miles per hour, but what it lacks in speed, it makes up for with control, stability, and power, 76.7 pound-feet of torque to be exact. Its 3.1 kilowatt-hours battery pushes you up to 75 miles on a single charge, giving you freedom without range anxiety. Weighing just 156 pounds, the 2X2 is surprisingly light, making it easy to handle for riders at any level. The full suspension system smooths out bumps and trails, while the two-wheel drive setup ensures you're never stuck spinning in mud or gravel. This isn't just a bike, it's a sustainable way to conquer both daily commutes and wild escapes. The UBCO2X2 proves that the future of riding is clean, capable, and unstoppable. Siemens E-Highway pantograph script, rephrased. Imagine a massive truck gliding down the highway, quiet, smooth, and powered by electricity drawn straight from the sky. That's the futuristic vision behind Siemens E-Highway system. Instead of relying only on fuel, these trucks use pantographs, overhead arms that connect directly to power lines above the road. With a single button, the arm extends, locks onto the cables, and instantly switches the truck to clean electric power. Even better, the system charges the truck's batteries while it drives. Germany is leading the way with plans to cover 4,000 kilometers of autobahns by 2030. Why? Because long-haul trucks consume nearly 2/3 of the country's diesel. Early test routes are already showing incredible results. Trucks there are cutting fuel use by up to 75% per hour. Over its lifetime, just one tractor can save more than 38,000 liters of diesel. And here's the best part. This innovation isn't limited to electric trucks alone. It can integrate with diesel, hybrid, or fully electric engines. The E-Highway isn't just a gadget, it's a glimpse into the future of freight transport. Cleaner, smarter, and built to change the way the world moves. Meet Big Pete, the monster of all trucks. This isn't just a truck, it's the heaviest monster truck on Earth. At a jaw-dropping 7.5 tons, it's nearly twice as heavy as its rivals and almost the size of a small house, stretching 5.5 meters long and 4 meters wide. Built on a Peterbilt 359, Big Pete holds the crown as the first semi-truck monster with a detachable trailer. But the real magic happens under the hood. Packing a 7.4L Chevrolet V8, it's paired with a military-grade transmission that powers not 2, not 3, but 4 drive axles, a setup built for pure dominance. Unlike most monster trucks, Big Pete rides on leaf spring suspension. But with all that weight, those springs only last about 6 months before needing a full replacement. And when this beast storms into the arena, the earth doesn't just rumble, it shakes like a mini earthquake. Fans say Big Pete isn't a truck at all, but a rolling seismic event. Big Pete isn't just built to crush cars, it's built to rewrite the meaning of power on wheels. Imagine a bike that feels unstoppable, built for power, balance, and adventure. That's exactly what the 630 Any Terrain Stabilized brings to the table. This four-wheel electric bike runs on a 750W rear hub motor, fueled by a Samsung battery pack that pushes out nearly 1,000 watt-hours. That means speeds up to 20 miles per hour and a range of 50 miles on a single charge. Its design is all about stability and strength. A solid 120-pound frame supports up to 350 pounds, while 4-inch wide tires, 20-inch in the back and 16-inch in the front, keep you steady on dirt, sand, or city streets. Hydraulic disc brakes on both ends give you confident stopping power, no matter the terrain. Practical features like a 7-speed drivetrain and folding handlebars make it just as versatile as it is bold. The result? A bike that doesn't just ride, it conquers. The 630 Any Terrain Stabilized transforms off-road cycling into a safe, thrilling experience built for riders who refuse to settle for ordinary. Imagine a trailer that doesn't just haul cargo, but actually transforms to fit the job. That's exactly what Dutch manufacturer Pacton delivers. Instead of sticking to one design, Pacton creates shape-shifting trailers built for versatility. Take their loader trailer. Equipped with a hydraulic front section, it's perfect for carrying heavy concrete panels with precision. Measuring 2.5 meters wide and 9.5 meters long, it offers 6 secure cargo points for safe transport. Need something lower? The Step Deck SXD adapts from 1 to 4 axles with an extendable platform, giving you unmatched flexibility. For heavy-duty work, the TXK tipper uses telescopic cylinders to lift an incredible 47 tons with ease. And when it comes to bulk cargo like biomass pellets, their moving floor trailer unloads smoothly without tipping. But here's the real game changer. Every trailer can be customized. From lift axles to hydraulic tweaks to container locks, Pacton builds exactly what you need. In short, if you can dream it, Pacton can trailer it. Jolo da Rollerbed System. Imagine turning 20 minutes of backbreaking work into just 90 seconds of effortless movement. That's the power of the Jolo da Rollerbed System. This smart system uses rollers built into the cargo floor of vans and truck trailers, working like a moving conveyor belt. Heavy pallets, aircraft containers, and bulky loads simply glide in and out without strain. No more crews wasting hours on repetitive lifting, and no more drivers risking injuries by climbing inside trailers. Even installation is quick. A 2-person team can set it up in about 12 hours, a small investment for massive efficiency. That's why global giants like DHL, FedEx, Unilever, and Coca-Cola are already on board, proving just how transformative this technology is. The rollerbed isn't just about saving time, it's about redefining how cargo is handled. Faster loading means fewer delays, safer work environments, and a new standard for logistics. The future of freight is here. The only question left is, will you roll with it? Imagine a vehicle that drives itself across brutal off-road terrain, faster, smarter, and sharper than a human driver. That's the vision behind DARPA's Racer Fleet, a groundbreaking program pushing the limits of autonomous technology. These aren't just self-driving cars for city streets. Each machine is built to tackle rocks, sand, and rugged landscapes as if a seasoned driver were at the wheel. The secret? A powerful blend of sensors, lidars, radars, and high-tech cameras that give the vehicles a full 360-degree view of their surroundings. The results so far are staggering. Test fleets have already logged more than 500 kilometers and gathered over 100 terabytes of real-world data. Every run makes them smarter, quicker, and more adaptable. The ultimate goal? Vehicles that can navigate wild terrain without a single human command, and maybe even outperform us in ways we never imagined. DARPA isn't just testing machines, they're rewriting the future of military mobility. If these racers succeed, the battlefield of tomorrow could be driven not by soldiers, but by intelligence on wheels. The question is, are we ready for machines that might outdrive us? Meet the Zabar MK2, a beast built for extreme terrains and jaw-dropping speed. Features and benefits. This machine may seat only 5 compared to its bigger brother, the Z-Mag, but it's all about raw power and agility. With a monstrous 620 horsepower engine, the MK2 rockets up to 200 kilometers per hour, a remarkable feat for an off-road giant. Its engineering doesn't stop at speed. It can cut through water up to 80 centimeters deep and tackle a near vertical 90 degrees approach angle without breaking a sweat. Context and real-world impact. The Zabar Mk2 isn't just a concept, it's been battle-tested across deserts worldwide. From blistering 55 degrees heat to rocky wilderness and swampy terrain, this off-roader proves unstoppable. It's a machine that redefines what all-terrain truly means, making places that seem impassable feel like a natural playground. Closing statement. The Zabar Mk2 isn't just a vehicle, it's the ultimate reminder that when power meets resilience, no frontier is out of reach. Faring Pioneer X. Imagine an off-road beast that can cross deserts, survive the Arctic, and even dive underwater. Meet the Faring Pioneer X, a machine that pushes the limits of adventure. Built by British engineers, this hybrid off-roader is powered by a 60 kWh onboard unit available in both multi-fuel and hydrogen options. That means freedom on the road with a jaw-dropping range of up to 7,000 kilometers. You could practically drive across continents without stopping to refuel. Its design is just as impressive as its power. The Pioneer X uses an ultra-light carbon chassis, making it tough yet nimble in extreme conditions. Add in a fully adjustable independent suspension, advanced spring setup, and an onboard tire inflation system, and you've got a vehicle that adapts to any terrain with ease. But here's the wildest feature, it's built to operate fully submerged underwater. That's not just off-roading, that's redefining what an off-road vehicle can do. The Faring Pioneer X isn't just transport, it's a vision of the future, proving how engineering can expand the boundaries of exploration. Meet the PodRide e-quadricycle, a futuristic, fully enclosed four-wheeled e-bike that blends agility, style, and efficiency like never before. Features and benefits. Built on a lightweight aluminum frame with a waterproof fabric body, this compact marvel weighs just 70 kilograms and spans only 196 centimeters long and 75 centimeters wide, making tight city maneuvers effortless with a turn radius of just 1.75 meters. Its 250W crankshaft-mounted electric motor, paired with a 14-speed hub transmission, powers speeds up to 25 km per hour while offering a 60 km range on a single charge. Comfort isn't left behind. Air-sprung suspension, dual-tiller steering, and reliable disc brakes keep every ride smooth and controlled. Inside, the PodRide doesn't skimp on convenience. Full LED lighting, turn signals, a rear cargo compartment, interior defog fan, and a manual windshield wiper ensure safety and practicality no matter the weather. Context and impact. Compact, efficient, and versatile, the PodRide e-quadricycle redefines urban mobility, offering a futuristic alternative for short-distance travel without compromising style or comfort. Closing statement. The PodRide isn't just a ride, it's a glimpse into the future of personal transport. Stay tuned for full production updates.
The Seacart 335 is a fun and versatile watercraft that combines the best parts of a jet ski and an inflatable boat. It's small, easy to handle, and offers strong performance, making it a great choice whether you want it as your main ride or as a tender for a yacht. It can carry up to 5 people comfortably, and depending on the engine, can reach speeds of up to 105 kilometers per hour. Its jet propulsion system makes it ideal for exciting activities like water skiing and wakeboarding. At the same time, it's much more comfortable than a regular jet ski, especially for longer rides, which makes it appealing for families too. Whether you're looking for high-speed thrills or a more relaxed water adventure, the Seacart 335 offers a great balance of comfort and excitement.
Imagine a machine so tough it can pull a tank, lift massive loads, and still race across rough terrain like it's nothing. That's the FFG Wisent 2, Germany's hidden powerhouse. Built on the legendary Leopard 2 tank chassis, this beast isn't just about brute force. It's a dual-role engineering and recovery vehicle, designed to handle the toughest missions. With a winch that drags up to 40 tons and a crane that hoists 32 tons, it's practically unstoppable when it comes to heavy lifting. But here's where it gets wild. The Wisent 2 can completely submerge underwater, crossing rivers and obstacles most machines wouldn't dare attempt. On steep slopes where others would tip, it stays rock solid. And despite carrying a full load of heavy gear, its mobility matches the Leopard 2 tank itself. Reaching speeds of 68 kilometers per hour, it doesn't just survive in extreme conditions, it dominates them. The Wisent 2 isn't just a vehicle, it's a glimpse into the future of military engineering. In 2026, a groundbreaking mission will launch from French Guiana, one that could finally give us the answer. Meet Plato, a massive space telescope armed with 26 ultra-precise cameras, each packing 81 megapixels. Together, they create a jaw-dropping 2 billion pixel image, the sharpest in space exploration history. So, how will it find new worlds? By watching for a star's tiny flicker. When a planet crosses in front of its star, the brightness dips ever so slightly. Plato will monitor 200,000 stars at once, snapping a photo every 25 seconds, for 2 years straight. Think of it as a time lapse of the universe. But here's the real thrill. Plato will focus on Earth-like planets in the habitable zone. Not too hot, not too cold, perfect for oceans, continents, maybe even life. It will measure their size, mass, and even age with incredible precision. Early missions found thousands of worlds, but most were gas giants. Plato's goal? Find another Earth, or prove we truly are one of a kind. But before we search for life out there, maybe we should tidy up our own orbit first.